Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning on assess breathing problems on Oppo smartwatches. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. You do this on the heytap health app, so open up the app on your phone. Tap Manage in the bottom right corner. Then tap Workout and Health. Scroll down to the sleep heading and tap Assess Breathing Problems. Now tap the toggle to the right of Assess Breathing Problems. Tap Turn on the pop-up. Your watch will now assess if you have breathing problems while you are sleeping. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Oppo Watch tips and tricks.